This is not groundbreaking information. Oh, okay. I actually look so much better. Personal style is not curating this perfect outfit for this perfect moment. It already has a column in Cosmopolitan at 24. You know, I look like one of those girls. Hello everybody and welcome to another new video. Today we're going to talk about how to elevate your style. I've been on a style journey for all 27 years of my life. I knew what I wanted when I was young, and then when I got to college, experimented a lot with color. Over the past 7 years of my 20s, I've really experimented with my style and figured out how can I elevate it. Sometimes I just go basic and I put on a tank top, jeans, sneakers, and I'm like, this is so boring. I'm like, okay, if I'm gonna go out and see people, this has to be the greatest outfit these people have ever seen. You know, it doesn't have to be like that. Personal style is not curating this perfect outfit for this perfect moment. It's a lot of the in-between of those moments of what are you throwing on a daily basis, not what are you wearing to the gala, what are you wearing on this whatever special night. These are a few tricks, not even tricks, this is overall one big trick that has helped me elevate my style a lot more and help me get out of the feeling that one, I'm outfit repeating, or two, I have a boring outfit. So let's get into it, shall we? So I actually lied to you. There are actually 3 ways to best elevate your style, and those are adding accessories, mixing fabrics, and playing with proportions. It's not even elevating a basic outfit. It's wearing something that you wear all the time, but you're like, okay, but what else can I do with this? I'm very much like an outfit repeater, outfit recipe repeater, and I forget you can be creative. You don't have to wear the same sort of recipe of an outfit over and over again. Let's start with accessories. This is a basic outfit. I am wearing a tube top and straight leg 90 jeans from Abercrombie. Cute. Nothing special. Fits fine. Proportions are good. That's another thing. Quiet 4th rule is wearing things that actually fit, which shouldn't be groundbreaking, and maybe it is just me, but when I finally wore pants that were tailored to me and jackets that were actually my size, I was like, oh, okay, I actually look so much better. But back to the beginning. This is an okay outfit, but a way to elevate it further, belts. This changes the game. I learned this from a TikToker, I think her name is Kim Johnson. I will link her and her TikTok down below, and she introduced the concept of a belt to me. I always viewed these guys as quite functional, and I realized they don't have to be. Whether I'm going to go for a pop of red, maybe I'm feeling a little bit bolder, maybe I'm feeling a little bit more colorful, looks just the tiniest bit more interesting, doesn't look like a basic tank top and jeans. Or maybe I want to go a little bit more bold and wear a zebra print. We're just gonna play pretend right now because it doesn't fully fit, but look at that. I just look so much more put together because this is here. It's not just holding up my pants. My pants are standing up on their own, it's fine. It can be functional and fashionable. It doesn't have to be one or the other. And that was groundbreaking news for me. Another thing that I love to do, which I already have on, is wearing jewelry. I was never really a jewelry person. I don't know why. I have this necklace. I am a mixing metals girl now because my brother got me this little upside down custom Yankees necklace, and then hoops. I have so many different earrings and so many, they're mainly hoops, but this is a great way where it's if I'm wearing a white tee or if I'm wearing anything and I put a little bit of hoops on, I look so much more put together, especially at meetings. Another way is playing around with your shoes. I fall victim to wearing the same shoe over and over and over again and forgetting, Amber, you have racks and racks of shoes. It's a summer day and you could go for a sandal. You could go for a loafer, make it a little more profesh, or you could elevate it with a kitten heel. It's basically like wearing a sandal or a sneaker. It really changes the game if you're not just wearing the same shoe over and over again. These 2 are my favorite go-tos when it comes to how can I make this a little bit better. So we have a slightly more elevated outfit, we have a belt, we have jewelry, we have cute shoes on, but what else can I do? I can add interest with a jacket, bring in a different texture, a different fabric into the mix. This falls into the different proportion and the mixing fabrics. It has a little cropped moment, so it's not too short, but it hits right where the belt is, and Those two just go so wonderfully together. That is just a lot more fun to look at. How else can we mix this up? We can throw on a button down. This is still a basic outfit, but I put on a button down. This one's from Madewell. Roll up the sleeves. Does she mean business or is she gonna have fun? I don't know. It could go either way with this outfit. How else can I make this more interesting? Maybe I want to tuck it in. Maybe I want to tie it right here at my waist so I look like those journalists from the early 2000s rom-coms that are looking for her lost love and she already has a column in Cosmopolitan at 24. You know, I look like one of those girls. It's because of this belt, this jewelry, those shoes, and this jacket. Otherwise, you take this off. Who is this girl? She's kind of boring. She's got an outfit on. Okay, cool, nothing special. Adding those elements transformed the outfit. We touched on it a little bit of playing with proportions, but let's like really jump into that one, okay? Take in this silhouette, okay? It's very form-fitting. It's a little loose in the jeans because they're straight leg, but it accentuates the figure. Option 2, this is one of my favorite proportions to play around with. It is tiny top, big pant. And this is what the Gen Zers love. This already looks a little bit more intentional because we have the hot pink pants and they are baggy, they are corduroy, they have a lot of texture going on with them. She feels like she thought this one out. I layer it with a cute little bralette underneath because this is a very see-through tank top, and then I throw in my jewelry. And now, oh, she actually really did think this out. Pop out my necklace again, and then I like to play with it with the jackets where we layer. This is where fabrics come into play, where this is kind of my go-to jacket to wear with this because this is such a bold color. And I'll wear leather with the corduroy. Perfect, cute, adorable. Sometimes I will throw on my Skims Cozy Collection top into the mix. It's tiny top, big pant, but look at that texture. Mixing that with the corduroy, so fun. And sometimes I will really mix it up and I will go full monochrome. We'll throw it way out to left field and be like, oh shit. Hot pink on top, hot pink on bottom. This was photographed for New York Fashion Week once when I was waiting outside to go to a show, so do with that information what you will. Proportions play such a big deal, and we don't even realize it in how that shapes our personal style and our preferences. But if you're like, I'm sick of the outfits I wear all the time, I wear this the same way all the time. I used to wear these pants with that white Skims top all the time. So then I was like, how do I mix this up? And I go, let's go monochrome. Let's go full pink. And I'll even pair this with my pink Gucci heels, or I have these pair of pink Moschnos that just go perfectly with these shoes, with these pants. So when in doubt and you don't know what to wear, you feel like your outfit repeating, think about your proportions. How could you change that? Could you wear a slightly more oversized tee with it? Could you maybe mix up your jewelry? I don't know. The possibilities are endless. And when I decide to not go simple with my outfit, I don't want to put too much thought into it, but I want to look put together. I want to feel like I put thought into this. I'm thinking of the proportions first. Can I go big on the pant or big on top? Or can I play with the textures? Is there something that I could switch this straight leg jean out for, maybe a straight leg leather pant instead? Should I just go funky with the earrings? Should I go big and bold? Not that these ones are. How can we just add a little bit of spice? So if you take anything from this video, add a belt, but remember, you can always add accessories, play with proportions, layer, get funky with your shoes, go monochrome. A lot of these are very sort of unconsciously you do this when you're getting dressed, but next time you get dressed, think about it. Can I switch out my skinny jeans for a baggy jean? Should I switch out my baggy top for like a tiny top? But a lot of these are easy little things that you can switch out, and it can take an outfit that you wear all the time and make it something new and refreshing. And we all know I'm in a fashion rut when it comes to my closet. I'm like crawling my way out of it pretty well right now. Like I'm almost there. I really just got to get a little bit more creative. But that really helps me when I'm in that rut where I'm like, no, don't wear the same thing over and over again. What else could you wear with this top? What else could you wear with these jeans? I hope this helped in any sort of way, or even just brought a lot of common knowledge to the forefront, because this is not groundbreaking information. But I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's any other ways that you guys like to elevate your style. I am always open for new tips. I would love to learn more. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.